Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So actually all we have to do is simply open the settings, so let's tap on it and tap on apps and notifications. Now let's choose this see all 34 apps in my case and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got reset up preferences, so let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data. So if you are ready, just tap on reset apps, and actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that it helped you, and if it was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.